Hi, this is Gautam from India. So I am here at relative Universe Card. So I came to visit the factory. I have seen the facility. So I am about to see the vehicles here, the demo vehicle. So the quality of the vehicle is pretty good. I have driven the vehicle. So they have many models, three-wheeler, and these are all four-wheelers. So let's take a look at the four-wheeler as well. So this is a two-seater car. So it is pretty fun to drive. So when I take a test drive, you will know the quality of the vehicle as well. So there are multiple variants in this. So multiple battery capacities and multiple range. So you can see their demo stage here. They have pretty good facility for the demo as well. You can see all the features of the vehicle. So you have a pretty good luggage space, boot space. You can have a removable battery as well. So you see there is a battery compartment here on both the sides. So you can have two removable batteries. You can charge it at home or you can charge it by keeping it on the vehicle itself. It's pretty comfortable to every country and every situation of life. So everybody can use the vehicles now. So let's take a test drive and see the quality and performance of the vehicles. Come, let's go.